Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Magic Kit is probably one of the most exciting gifts you can give to a child. It's a fantastic way to ignite their imagination, boost their confidence, and introduce them to the enchanting world of illusion. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of kids' magic kits, exploring what makes a great kit, and helping you choose the perfect one to spark some serious wonder. Number 5. National Geographic Science Magic Kit. This amazing kit combines the wonders of science with the excitement of magic. It's packed with over 100 unique experiments and magic tricks. You'll be able to amaze your friends and family with what you learn. Each experiment is designed to be performed as a magic trick. The included magic wand and white gloves will help you dress the part. It's fun and educational for kids of all ages. The kit includes all the materials needed to conduct 20 stunning science magic tricks. You can make snow appear, create square bubbles, and even become waterproof. Use physics and chemistry to wow your audience. Want more? The kit also includes a bonus experiment guide with 85 plus additional experiments. These can all be done with common household items. The fun never stops. This product is from Blue Marble, winner of the Toy of the Year award. They develop products that foster education, imagination, and creativity. They also have a US support team to ensure a great experience. What we like. This kit combines science and magic, offering over 100 unique experiments. It includes a magic wand and gloves, allowing kids to dress the part. If you have a budding scientist or a child who loves to put on a show, this is perfect for them. They'll be able to amaze their friends and family with the magic of science. What people say. This kit is packed with over 100 unique experiments that have kept her engaged and excited about science. The instructions are clear, colorful, and easy to follow, making it simple for us to dive right into each experiment. The kit offers over 100 unique experiments and magic tricks that kept my kids engaged and excited to learn. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Magic Set, 10 Classic Tricks. Are you ready to amaze your friends and family? This magic set from Melissa and Doug is perfect for aspiring magicians. It includes everything you need to get started. This set comes with 10 classic tricks. They are designed to be easy to learn and fun to perform. You'll be wowing your audience in no time. This set helps develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It encourages confidence as you master each trick. It's a great way to build self-esteem. The set is made of solid wood and comes in a wooden storage box. The box also doubles as a performance space. It's built to last for years of magical fun. This magic set makes a great gift for kids ages 8 and up. It provides hands-on, screen-free play. Give the gift of magic today. What we like. This set features classic magic tricks and is designed to build confidence. The solid wood construction doubles as a performance space. If you are looking for a more traditional magic set that encourages hands-on play and develops fine motor skills, this is the one for you. What people say. It is made of wood and most of the tricks included have their own wooden boxes. There are colorful scarves, coins, a mummy coffin, etc. This set is really cool in looks and in its functionality and durability. Everything is sturdy and well made. Number 3. Blue Marble National Geographic Mega Magic Set. Welcome to the world of magic. This amazing set is designed for kids, offering over 75 tricks. It's a fantastic way to spark imagination and creativity. Inside, you'll find everything needed to perform classic illusions. This includes cups and balls, a false thumb tip, and even a magic wand. It's all about learning the techniques behind the tricks. The set includes 2 specialized card decks. These decks allow you to perform a wide range of tricks. They are great tools for learning sleight of hand. Each trick comes with step-by-step video instructions. A professional magician demonstrates each trick. You'll learn the secrets and get tips from a pro. Learn the fundamentals and advanced variations. You'll be able to put together a whole magic show. It's a great way to build confidence and have fun. Blue Marble develops products that foster education and creativity. They even won the Toy of the Year award. They also have a US support team to ensure a stellar experience. What we like. This kit provides step-by-step video instructions from a professional magician. It includes classic magic props and offers multiple trick variations. If you like learning from a pro and want to master the fundamentals and advanced techniques, you should consider this one. It's perfect for putting together a whole magic show. What people say. Lots of engaging tricks and props, and the extra videos make it super fun for her to independently learn the tricks and then show and amaze the whole family. The set includes a wide variety of props, cards, coins, cups, wands, and the step-by-step video instructions were a huge plus, especially for younger kids just learning the basics. Most of the tricks are pretty easy to learn and super fun. There are some more advanced, but it's nice that there is a variety of skill levels in one box. Number 2. National Geographic Magic Kit, 45 Tricks. This amazing kit is packed with 45 incredible magic tricks. It includes everything needed to amaze your friends and family. Get ready to put on a show. The kit comes with classic props like cups and balls, a false thumb tip, and a magic wand. These tools will help you master the techniques behind famous illusions. With practice, you'll be performing like a pro. You'll also receive a special magician's card deck. This is a great tool for learning sleight of hand and performing card tricks. It's perfect for practicing and perfecting your skills. The included booklet has links to videos of a professional magician performing all 45 tricks. Watch and learn the secrets to a perfect performance. The videos make it easy to follow along and master each trick. Learn the fundamentals and advanced variations of many tricks. This will allow you to create a whole magic show. You'll be amazing your audience in no time. We are committed to providing high-quality products. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know. We'll make it right for you. What we like. This kit also provides video instructions from a professional magician, and includes a specialized card deck. It offers 45 different magic tricks. If you are looking for a kit with a wide variety of tricks and want to learn sleight of hand, this is the perfect choice. You'll be amazing with the tricks. What people say. Lots of engaging tricks and props, and the extra videos make it super fun for her to independently learn the tricks and then show and amaze the whole family. The set includes a wide variety of props, cards, coins, cups, wands, and the step-by-step video instructions were a huge plus, especially for younger kids just learning the basics. Most of the tricks are pretty easy to learn and super fun. There are some more advanced, but it's nice that there is a variety of skill levels in one box. Keep in mind my son is actually below the age recommendation. Number 1. Heyzeibo Magic Kit for Kids. This Heyzeibo Magic Kit is designed for kids aged 6 and up. It's packed with easy-to-learn tricks and high-quality props, perfect for beginners to build confidence. Kids can quickly learn the same tricks as professional magicians. The kit includes an instruction manual with pictures to guide them through each trick. You can study with your children together. It's a great way to increase interaction and create lasting memories while they learn new skills. This magic kit is an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. They'll be thrilled to share their new skills with family and friends. The props are made of quality, safe materials, designed for young hands. The edges are polished to ensure they won't hurt your child. If you have any questions about the kit, please contact us. We're here to help and will gladly offer a refund or replacement. What we like. This kit is designed for beginners with easy-to-learn tricks and a detailed instruction manual. The props are made of quality and safe materials. If you're looking for a great gift for a beginner magician, this will be a perfect choice. It's designed to build confidence and provide hours of fun. What people say. Great quality items. I really like the cape because it is double-sided red and black. Our grandson loves this birthday gift. Lots of fun. Perfect to hone in on acting skills and presentations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.